Hi, I'm Dan McKnight and welcome to my LinkedIn profile. I work for a business by the name of Liberty Systems, and we help customers leverage their existing business systems down to the mobile users within their supply chain. This is going to typically be SAP, leveraging that through tools like ITS Mobile and WM. The unique thing of working with Liberty is our experience. We've been around for 15 years helping companies in the supply chain space automate different processes. So we've seen a lot of warehouse, we've seen good business practices, we've seen poor business practices, and our goal is always to provide the right technology that's going to maximize the efficiencies within any business process, again within that supply chain space. Liberty Systems and myself in particular, we've been blessed by means of earning the right to work with some very key SAP users. These are companies like Estee Lauder Corporation, Bell Helicopter, Cessna Aircraft, and each of these has brought forth unique challenges. If it's, how do we get a printer to print a SAP transaction in China versus the EU versus here in North America. If it's Bell Helicopter, how do we use RFID and effectively integrate it so we know when raw materials arrive, we know their flow into the production process so that their assembly line doesn't stop, and how do we continue to take advantage of RFID up through the value chain, through that supply chain to their customers. So I think what I bring is, anybody that's done something for 15 years, you learn a lot of knowledge if you're successful in the field that you're doing for 15 years. So what I think some of the things that that differentiate myself from the other plethora of salespeople out there is, first off, process. I understand process. I've been part of lots of projects, so we can help provide best practice. The technologies, really, you need to understand the process before you can make any recommendation on a scanner, a mobile computer, a printer. If it's barcoding versus RFID, you need to understand the process today as well as what their 3 to 5 year business plans look like. So in selling what we do, you need to be both project manager along with technical consultant along with salesperson. And I think those 3 attributes come together, and hopefully that's part of the value that our customer sees. So away from work, I'm married. I have a wife of 10 years. We just celebrated our 10-year anniversary. Play a lot of golf. Like to get out and play golf at least once a week. Spend time at the lakes here in Minnesota. You can't go wrong with our 10,000 lakes. So those are kind of the things I like to do. So I look forward to engaging with you and seeing how we can be of service.